We carry a lot of keys in our pockets. At least most of us do.
A lot of keys.
And various other little things, you know.
Yeah.
I even have a bottle opener. I have a little tile on here. Tons of keys. Toolbox key.
Flash drive.
Flash drives. Car keys.
Storage unit.
They get kind of messy sometimes.
Yes, they do. Very messy. At times it gets so much so they get tangled up. Look, this drives me nuts. The tangling up. Then I try putting that in my pocket. It pokes a hole through my pocket. That's happened before. Very frustrating. Well, today we have something that should help clean up this mess.
This is a key organizer by Captiosa. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it helps organize your keys into more of like a Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, it's a Swiss Army knife of keys, basically. You got them all organized in this tiny little thing. You can flip out the key you want, just like a Swiss Army knife.
So we'll have the link down below in the description if you want to check it out. It's right around $20. Let's bust this thing open, see what it looks like. I know that's made out of carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It kind of sounds really
high-end.
cool. Nice little box though. I like the texture and stuff. It looks elegant.
Oh, yeah, it looks fancy. Ooh, you get some cards here.
Ooh, the smell.
Ooh, that smell.
Strong.
Even these, yeah, that is strong. Some instructions. We get a bag of all sorts of things. Screws,
spacers,
washers.
your SIM card extraction tool.
Wow. That is a strong smell. It is.
It is really
is.
strong.
I mean, like, I can't breathe that.
All right, then we get a
Ooh, fancy keychain.
Yeah, keychain
holder thing. Wow. And the key holder itself. Wow, that is really light. You feel that?
Whoa.
Yeah. I thought it was going to be, I mean, obviously it is carbon fiber, so it should be light, but I mean, you look at something that size.
It weighs like nothing.
I know, it's like plastic, or lighter than plastic.
Gee.
Yeah, is that a bottle opener?
Yeah, it's got a bottle opener on it.
Okay, that's your first thing right there, guys. If you don't have any keys, you got a bottle opener.
It actually almost looks like you could open a bottle here too, like built into the frame of it.
That is interesting. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Let's play with this.
Let's open this little baggie of goodies. Gee. So yeah,
That's a lot of spacers.
we got a whole bunch of gaskets here. And then this looks like something you would hook your key ring into.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, and you've got these different size spacers and these screws. More screws.
Oh, so it's adjustable. They have different size or different lengths here. So if you have more keys that you want to put on it, you can put more keys. Or if you only have a couple keys, you just put a couple.
Awesome. Can you add it on the side?
No, inside. You take it apart.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. I get it.
Here, use this. Unscrew it.
This is what you use to unscrew it.
Yeah, that works.
Ooh, wow, look at that. It comes with the tools. Okay. I'm digging it.
Let's grab my keys. We're going to need a few keys to test this with.
Okay, what do you want to add on the side with the bottle opener?
I'm so bad at these. You can't get it.
Oh. He lost all his fingernails.
I bite them.
Come on. Always a struggle with these. Wow.
Always one key on there that messes around with you.
Woo! Okay.
I just needed help getting it started. I could have done the rest.
Wow, can I really only get one key on there? With this spacing, yes. Get you on there. Come on. Well, how'd you...
This guy.
Huh. There, look at
Well, let's put more.
get
Let's
some
put a
more.
bigger
Yeah, let's
spacer
put
in
a
there.
bigger spacing on. A lot of assembly for this.
Oh, do those screw in there?
No. You just screw
Oh, you
these
add
in.
extra. This is smart. I like it.
I like that.
We'll grab one more key out of here. Still not the easiest thing to do, huh?
No, it definitely takes a little bit of skill in finding out.
We got our little top screws. Wow, they even give you extra top screws in case you lose one. Yeah, that's kind of nice.
I like the extra parts it comes with. That's nice. Nice touch.
It's nice when they think about you and losing things, because, you know, that always happens.
Yeah.
It always ends up happening. No matter how hard you try, you end up losing something.
Yeah.
We done with Elise?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, let's get them aside.
I'm cheating. Woo! Here we go. And I already noticed some mistakes. I should have spaced them staggeredly. Oh, see, okay, we're learning. It's okay. Okay, so.
Duh.
It's okay. But look, there's your key. Look at that.
Nice.
I want to get into my house. I got my key. I stick it in there.
You even have something kind of nice to hold on to.
Yeah, you got something really nice to hold on to. Sometimes locks are really hard to turn. You know? And this is, you got this nice big handle.
If you really even wanted to, real fast, if you wanted to, you could almost put it in like this and really have something. But
really crank it, so that way you
don't
can
want to
break
it. Yeah.
key. That's a great idea, Tyler.
Wow. Yeah, I know. I'm chock full of them. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it is very nice. I like the tightness on it too. I mean, you got some resistance there, so the keys aren't just flopping around inside of there.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah.
Because you don't want them coming out in your pocket. That's one of the nice things is you can keep this in your pocket, and the keys aren't gonna come out and stab you in your side.
You know what? I've never thought these were a great idea, but now that I have one in my hand and I'm playing with it, and I see all those spacers it comes with, how many keys I can put in there, and then here's the reason why I never wanted my keys. They're not conventional keys as my car key, but I figure if you put this keychain on there to hold it, I could put my car key on it.
Just next to it.
And then all I have is this and my key, my car key. That is so much better than having all this. I'm gonna keep this one, Tyler. I mean, this is neat. And you even got this nice little clip to hook it on your belt loop if you wanted.
Yeah, it even comes with like an extra little, holder so you can put it on a keychain easily. They're pretty easy to get out of there. Just pick which one you want. Dang, that is really nice. Yeah, that's
something
nice
like
to
that,
hold on to.
You can learn the order of it real easy.
Oh,
it
yeah.
doesn't change constantly like your keychain does.
Yeah, and you can remember that it's got, a slot here and... Wait, that's what that slot's for.
What's that?
You can put a phone in there.
A phone?
A phone. That's one thing I kind of remember seeing on there was that it holds a phone. And... I wouldn't say it does it very well.
Take the keys out. Or
here, put them
open
this
it
way.
up. Open it up. You get to lay flat. I don't know about that one. No, that's too sketch.
It's definitely not working that well.
No.
And maybe not, at least an iPhone.
Maybe a different kind of phone. I don't
Possibly,
know.
yeah. I mean, it kind of works, but it's not.
It's
not that useful.
I mean, I spend a lot of money on my phone. I'm not trusting it with that.
Maybe if you had like the longer extension.
The wider you make it.
Yeah, the wider you would make it, the more support it would have.
That's very true. I mean, we only got 4 keys on here right now.
Yeah, 4 keys, so it's kind of thin right now.
Most people have more than 4 keys. If you put as many keys as I have on here, or you keep finishing that, it'd be pretty wide.
Yeah, I got 3, 4, 5, 6.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, 6, 7 more keys, and like a toolbox key, it might be a little hard to put on there. It'd take up a lot of room.
Bulky, yeah. That could be one of those things that you add with your car key, for instance.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it really cleans up your keys. No matter what kind of key configuration you have, it cleans it up. And I've always stayed away from it, like I said, because I thought my key configuration was too weird. But now that I really think about it, I have it in my hand, I see what I can do with it. It will work for anyone. Doesn't matter what key configuration you have.
Yeah, I mean, you can even, just use the keys that you use every day on it. If you are someone that has a lot of keys, you may want to keep some of those keys separate, but use your like house key, your mailbox, and some other little things, work key or something like that.
You can keep your work keys and your house keys separate if you wanted. You could get 2 of them even.
It is real sleek. Let's see. I'm gonna put it in my pocket and get some of this other stuff out of my pocket. Yeah, no, and, you know,
Feels okay?
It feels okay. It's kind of just like carrying around a little Swiss Army knife.
Let me try that around, because I put my keys in my back pocket. So every time I sit, I am constantly sitting on my keys, which I take them out all the time. Ooh, that's comfy.
That's kind of weird. I don't know anyone that puts their keys in their back pocket.
I'm a weirdo that way.
That's funky. I don't even like my wallet.
Hey, shout out to those people who do it. I mean, send a comment my way, please. Thank you.
Prove me wrong.
Yes,
prove me wrong.
That feels good. I like that. That's pretty slick. And then we even added quite a bit of spacers to it.
I think if we would have spaced it correctly, I mean, it even works this way. It's still, you know, in there perfectly. It's not bulging out, and we didn't space it correctly. We should have done, you know, a little bit of an offset on the keys there.
Yeah, didn't think that one through.
But it looks sleek. I love the carbon fiber look, and it's, you know, it's light. It's super light.
Yeah, you're not adding much weight to your keys there.
Yeah, even this with the keys on there feels way lighter than having a few keys on a key ring for some
Yeah, the
reason.
key rings.
Yeah.
You got 3 key rings like I do. All of a sudden, it weighs more than that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
in a
you got a
sense,
lot.
you're lightening your keys there. For $20, you get this nice carbon fiber key ring, keychain organizer, and it cleans up your keys, and it will work for just about anyone. Like I said, I didn't think it would work for me, but now that I have it, it will work for me. And it just makes your life easier, I would say. I always struggle putting my keys in my pocket. I don't know how many of you guys do, but I absolutely do that. And you know what? This is better than I ever imagined. I definitely recommend it. If you guys want to check it out, again, we do have the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we're out of here.